Toxic materials in ecosystems. There are lots of different substances within any ecosystem. Some substances and many substances are helpful, but some are harmful. Pollution happens when there are harmful substances in an environment that can do damage to it. Some pollution occurs naturally, such as ash in the air from a volcano. Other pollution is created by humans, such as waste gases from car exhaust pipes and the chimneys of coal burning power plants. Some factories also release harmful waste products into the air and water from processes they use to make different goods. Harmful substances in an ecosystem can be toxic, poisonous to the organisms that live in it. Some toxic substances can decay and become less harmful to the ecosystem. Others do not decay and remain in the ecosystem. New substances can also be introduced into an ecosystem in many ways. For example, farmers can spray crops with chemicals to help them grow strong and healthy. And these chemicals are then washed into the river by the rain. More plastic than fish. Andres Fat, a German chemist, swam the entire length of the Tennessee River in USA, 1049 kilometers or 652 miles, in just 34 days. Why did he choose to do this enormous task? Because he wanted to raise awareness about water pollution and get his name in the Guinness World Records. Fath worked in the environment with the environment scientist Martin Knoll to organize the swim. Both scientists are worried about the health of rivers, ocean, and other bodies of water because of the amount of plastic found in them. In 2016, a study was done that which said within 35 years the oceans could hold more plastic by mass than the fish. Scientists argue about whether this prediction is true, but they all agree that the plastic pollution of water is an issue we must all tackle. Pollution harms our oceans and rivers as well as all the living things that depend on the bodies of water. Plastic is used in many products, from packaging to plastic bags. Many and massive amounts of plastic end up in the ocean. This plastic contains harmful substances that can be toxic to wildlife that live in the ocean. Animals can also get tangled in the plastic waste, which can harm to kill them. Toxic accumulation in food chains. If a plant or an animal in an ecosystem absorbs a toxic substance, the toxic substance can enter their food chain. If the toxic substance can't be broken down or excreted by the organism, the toxic substance remains inside and can damage the organism. If another organism eats that organism, the toxic substance then moves through the food chain. All organisms in the food chain or the food web are then at risk of being damaged. The buildup of toxic substances in a food chain or food web is called toxic accumulation. This buildup happens over time, and the organisms who are most likely to be damaged are the predators and who are at the end of the chain. Thank you for watching.